Let's go now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, let's go now. GoPro stop recording. GoPro stop recording.
1, 2, 3. Ay, dalawa na. Ano ito na? Ang mga gamit, mga bag.
Stop mo.
GoPro stop recording.
Dapat pala mahina lang pala.
Yan pala, maganda.
Alright, let's go now. You know. It's very malalim yan. Okay, you hold this GoPro.
Hey, beautiful beach.
Beautiful island.
Yeah.
Talim Island.
Yeah.
First Talim Island. White sand. I know. Kalma. Ayun, lupot-lupot. Yun. Konting lakad lang, patag na. Patlaw, patlaw.
Go, go, go.
Wala, wala. Patlaw, patlaw.
Yeah.
Move! Move! Oh no! Very many grass. Many grass. And under the sea. Nothing rock. Nothing rock. Because is sun. Sun.
Sa luluha ka. Eh, wala na ito.
This one's my boat. Oh no!
Gas. Balik natin.
I shall return. No.
Oh no.
Oh no! I have nothing. I have nothing.
Dito maganda magano.
They're inside. They're in my boat.
Diyan dali sila eh.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Time check 12 and noon 1 p.m. It's very haggard because is hungry na. I have nothing. No comment. GoPro, stop recording.
Oh my gosh. Kaya nga, dapat yun na binulog.
I shall come back.
Ito si Paiti to.
Put down your
Sabi po,
paddle. There in your
di ko manunod. Oo, para hindi na magbuhat.
you know. Let's go. is climbing my mountain. Oh my God. GoPro, stop recording. Oh. This is my way. This is my way. Oh my God. Yes, we're talking. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. This outside. This water. Oh, this way. Oh my God. It's the. I'm walking around my forest. Yes. Forest mountain.
Baba dyan.
You know?
Baba na lang ho.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Okay na, bawasan kayo ng mga...
Okay. GoPro, stop recording.
Sabi ko na, dini na bumaba eh.
Ay, matatakay nyo to.
GoPro, stop recording.
Kung kailan kami nandinihan sa kanila.
Kahit wala itong mga andar, nandiyan na kayo. Yung baba.
Ang sabi ko nga, dini na, input ko na
GoPro, stop recording.
daw. Aba, ay lahat na may bato eh.
Okay. You know you... GoPro, stop recording.
Hindi pwede mo magkapasok na na.
Secret Paradise. You know Secret Paradise?
Hi! Kami! Jeff! Si Paul Aaron doon pa po.
Hey! You like? You like it?
Balik.
You know?
Kaya nakita lang namin bakas.
Come on out. You like it?
Ayun o.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Pwede pumunta dyan?
Sumala.
Ibig sabihin, pwede pumunta dyan. Ba't umiikot kayo doon? Kaya nga, ba't umiikot ka doon? Pinakita lang yung area doon. Okay, let's proceed to our procedure.
Okay, okay, okay. Move, move, move.
Pupok na na, pupok. Lagyan natin baka dito. Pupok na move. Pwede pala pumarking dito.
Okay.
Ay, itatanong nyo man sa kanila kung pwede.
Really? Really? Okay.
May tambayan dito mga kasunod. Tambayan dito, malalim. Pwede ko gusto itanong nyo muna.
Lagyan ng tubig! Guys, lagay tubig sa kaldero para makakasain. Nay, ito na tubig!
Gusto po, nasa amin pa ang nandoon pa ang gas.
Oh, yan, okay. Wag yan, okay
Kaya
yan.
na high pressure.
Malinis yan.
Sana yun na lang ang nagdala.
Hindi, hindi rin nakatagsusulok.
Yo,
Later. Your fruit and my... Dami mo naman
you know.
Okay.
Yung mga gagawin na yan.
Put on ready.
Kasain.
Oh, puspuro. Benda si
Nothing. Nothing kusapeko. Nothing matches. There. Yeah, yeah.
Ryan. Hey. Go ahead. Come back. Come here. Stop and.
Okay.
Why? No.
No.
It's me.
Sa rice.
And
Okay, rice.
Hey!
and
Stop your mouth! Very good!
Hey!
it's
Yes, na.
rice.
Anong is na rice?
No. It's that pin you think, man.
Ang aga-aga baka siyansihin ko yung gilagid mo dyan.
Really?
Yeah. And butane man. No. Wala akong lighter.
Isang kambing din ano
Ayaw.
Yo,
Tagalog
Chong yo. Chong, isang kambing daw, isang usaw. Oy,
Yes.
kulang yung tubig. Dagdagan yung tubig din. Dagdagan yung tubig. Isang separate lang yun eh, isang bala lang yun. Pag nakabite.
Hey, what butter?
Oh, later.
Vlog!
Later.
Yung Wilkins lang!
Malaki.
Yung vlog, yung big pala!
No.
Yung big is lens.
Give
Yung
me.
big is lens. Lenis.
Give me one.
Vlog!
Matayo, come here.
Video. Around the video.
I want the word.
Around the world.
Yeah.
Open.
Look around!
You, give me one. Okay.
Hindi, may kukunin lang. May ano ba? May uuwi ba? Walang malamig. Padapaw pa ako.
May yelo, may yelo. Ayun, may yelo.
Ilan bang picture na dala? Ay, dyan. Sumiray ako ng dapa.
Nasaan yung ano?
Alin?
Nadala ba yun? Ano yan?
Oo, nasa akin. Aba,
Nadulas nga din eh.
Pag nakakatang din eh.
later.
Later. Okay. Thank
Give
you.
me one secrets.
Yes. You like cigarettes?
Me. Give me one secret.
Ang maganda yung sinasabit para suplete sabit din sa puno.
Sa laan niya, isa yan.
Ha?
Sa laan.
Hindi ba susuplete?
Di ba, di ba, ang isang kambing,
Wala ng tubig na rin.
Ano niya? Talyaki yata. Ano? Water
Jungle bolo.
Oh yeah.
Pwede mo din ilipat yan.
You know. You know jungle bolo?
No.
You like it?
Maybe later. This one. I need this one.
GoPro stop recording.
Boys message.
Ay, pagbukas
Boys is very
Tay,
careful.
pagbukas mo nag-off man. Ikabungot.
You wanna shot?
So very hot.
Hey! Hey! My brother Michael.
Give me one shot.
Yes.
You wanna shot? You wanna shot?
man?
Once more.
Give me one shot.
Yes.
English speaking. Because my vlog is speaking English
Yes.
now.
Give me one plate. You got the shot.
Give me one shot.
Water? Yes.
Where are you from?
Saudi Alabang.
What?
Saudi Alabang. Saudi Alabang daw, Saudi Alabang. Saudi Alabang.
Yes.
US me. US.
Kuya Michael is very nice English. Because his Kuya Michael is Kuya Michael is vendors.
Really? Give me one stick.
Orangers.
Give me one stick.
What kind of stick? What kind of stick?
White.
Wood? Cigarettes?
Marshall.
Marshall. Who's your wife? What is your name? What is your name? You're my husband.
White.
Wife. What is your name? You're my wife.
Charito.
Very good.
Charito, posible. Give me one fight.
No.
Ang aga-aga baka siyansihin ko yung gilagid mo dyan.
It's very
Give me one fight.
it's very honest.
Bad.
Nice.
Kapit niyo ba ngayon?
This one.
Wala ka gan.
My grand touch here.
Saan ito?
Oh. It's a carrot, man.
Yung atin.
Wow. Amazing.
Oy, ano mo yung
Carrot man is
bago kasi para
tapulot.
okay, ganito ako. Sige, basta to.
Carrot is favorite rabbit. Your rabbit? Huh? Your rabbit?
Yeah.
Rabbit is favorite carrot. Your rabbit.
Yeah.
Good. You is a carrot man?
Yes. Carrot you and carrot me.
Good. Carrot is a beautiful health.
Yeah.
Mm.
Beautiful hair.
Beautiful health. Carrots. You wanna shot? You wanna shot? Eh?
Ano? Ayaw?
Oh,
Naman na
my vlog is 24 minutes. One upload. Hey, you wanna drinking?
Oh, thank you. Better luck next time.
All right. Thank you.
Water lang, water. Water me lang, water.
Magpapalit ka na? Ano niyo ba yan?
My vlog is
Papa, dito ang 50 ko
out
nakalagay.
because
Yung barya na 50.
we'll be right
Yung
back.
may 20.
Gagamitin sa ano ba, mga lulutuin dyan. Para ano ba lulutuin? Adobo.
Right?
Oh my goodness.
Ano, gin?
Yes.
Tagayinas.
I'm waiting for
Yeah,
your
Yeah.
watch because I'm vlog is
Kanin.
very carefully.
Ano ba, kasali sana yung, ano mo yung challenge mo for English.
Oh, this is my idol jumper is very amazing.
Baka mawili hindi na
My
magtagalog.
Right? Very right back. Because is my
Bad words ha, bad words.
my
No bad
Delilah.
words ha.
Are you having fun yet? My English love?
Ito mo na si
Yes.
Bebe. Ana? Opo.
Tay,
Ana?
ikaw naman, dito ka vlog.
Yeah.
Uwi oh.
Ano? Ga-produce ko?
Ang ganito pa.
Oh no! My vlog is many more.
Yes.
Minimize.
Hey! My vlog is very nice because it's ours is very big.
Igo na dong.
Oh, Michael, mamam.
Mama! Ay, wala na yung vlog, pwede lang ako mag-Tagalog. Ito, pag nakasat pa ito ng mga ilam.
Give me one shot.
Para lalo na na.
Hey, give me one shot.
Pwede nga.
Give me one shot, man.
Mag-Tagalog uguan.
You next me!
Pag di na ka mag-vlog. Pag di na ka mag-vlog. Pwede ka lang mag-Tagalog.
Hindi na mag-Tagalog tayo. You next me my shot. Because I'm very
Important.
water is give me water. You bugnaw. Cool. Very cool.
Wow. Wow.
What is cool?
Very cool.
What is cool?
Jack cool.
May ice trap over there.
Doon sa lamisa.
Oh!
Kapasit ba kayo? Yung pasit ba to?
My ice cream is your favorite.
Katigas na no. O ganiha ba? Pasit ba to eh? Tigas na.
Oh, very expensive.
Mamaya na uli. Ang bawang.
Tato.
No.
Ito na ako paligo.
Sugot na agad pa.
I'm ready.
Ano? Pwede kayo magkana dyan ano eh. Yan, i-vlog. Mga matadali dyan, mga sunahan. You want to join?
You wanna join for your
Pampakinis ang kutis.
drinking?
Walang yan ah.
Wala kasi natin ito kinakain na rin ka ng ilaw.
My cuties is very nice. Your
Flawless.
your body is beautiful.
Body is a wonderland.
Pampatakot sa suwang.
This one my preparing is tomato. Tomato is a very help to my body.
Give me one steak.
Tomato
Hey, give me one steak.
is 4 pieces. Can I slice the tomato before is your vlog is speaking English now? Oh no, ice cream is my favorite. What's your flavor?
It's yours, it's yours.
That's right. Okay. Your vlog is very good. Very good is what is my vlog is Madla people is happy. Wow. Ice cream flavor your no.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. This one.
Ah.
It's okay?
My vlog is okay. It's at 24 minutes.
That's right. That's right.
Blood is a yeah.
Oh, yes.
Because
Very
it's
nice.
views is boom.
Yeah.
For my friends Kahaw.
That's okay.
Yes.
Yun ang lahat.
For so many people.
Yeah.
My YouTube channel Kahaw is
It's a boom.
boom.
It's the mouth. It's
Yes.
the mouth. It's the very bad smell.
Why?
Baho.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ayun.
No.
Try plutan.
No. It's mine.
Oh.
Mine.
Anong luto ba gagawin niyo?
Ano daw po, sinigang, tsaka
Kaldereta.
itong kaldereta, ano bang ihaw, may mga prito pa yata. Kaya ang dami nila, ang dami lahat, ano yata. Wala na tayong gagayatin. Luya! Luya! Balat!
Daming luya. Lalaki, sarap.
Where's my English, my luya?
Ginger.
Hmm?
Ginger.
Hey.
Ginger?
Hey.
Dangerous.
Hey, give me ang English is luya is halang. Hey, give me
No.
one shot. Oh,
Luya?
Luya.
garlic, garlic,
Ha?
garlic.
No.
Garlic is...
Itong garlic doon yun.
Garlic.
ng pulutan ako.
Papakita sa butis eh.
Binabad sa patis na ano.
Luya English is lay out.
Ayan.
Layout.
Wala kayong dalang suka.
Foreman?
Nagagawa ng bahay.
Layout mo. Foreman?
Doon ka. Napagtagalog tuloy ako.
Makikita ka kasi hubad.
Hindi. Yung mama, malaglag siya.
Bata?
Yes.
Ano ba edad mo na? Pili ka na.
Ow!
Yes.
Ow.
You
Amazing. Papakita sa
you can
butis.
say. You can say
Patatas.
is very important.
Ayos din.
Importante to my vlog is right now
Ayun, lagyan mo ka.
and madlang peoples. Yes. You know
Why?
Sili, because it's nothing else.
Yes.
Isa lang.
Chili.
Chili.
what is English?
Chili in calamansi.
Anong might in
And-
English?
Dalandan.
Bibel.
Ano?
Bibel, what
Beben.
is English?
Beben, di ba?
Chili.
Chili. Yes.
Mansi.
Chili.
Chili mansi. Noodles.
Chili. this
Beben, hey.
chili.
Kamatis.
English.
English ng kalamansi. Dalandan.
No. Calamansi English.
Asim.
No. Calamansi is English is sorb.
Hindi asin.
Calamansi sorb.
Sorb.
Very good.
Ginawang sabog.
Sino?
Hey, it's very nice.
Very nice rice.
Yes, rice. It's very nice.
Very nice. May pakagat.
Luya in English is lay out.
Anong layout? Sa bahay yun eh. Maglilian ka ng bahay, mag-aasinta.
Luya. Di ba? Luya. Oh, sa English lay out. Sa kamatis. Kamatis.
Kamatis.
Tomato.
Really?
Sa mani. Peanuts.
Taas mo lang. Marami naman
That's right.
Yes.
Yes.
Sayote.
Sayote
Tama kayo
is green leaves.
Ano yan? Asa yung ano? Kutsara ko yung kid. Kupisayin natin na.
Sayote is
Kutsara? Oo, kutsara.
in English sayote.
Ang patatas.
Oy, patatas is
Potato.
French fries.
French fries. Potato.
Potato. Yes, that's right, BBL. Potato. Potato is
Nasabi na nga ng Kuya Binggari.
potato is
Green peas daw.
French fries.
Vegetable.
French fries. Potato is French fries.
Are, hindi alam mo mga English, tama?
Ano?
Yeah.
What is the English of sayote?
Sayote.
Green peas.
Sayote.
Oh, green peas. Sabi ng
English, sayote. Oh, what is the English?
Sayote.
Sayote. For you, sister.
Sponge.
Oh.
Sayo at saka te.
Oh, for you, sister. Oh.
That's right. Yeah.
Really?
My brain is was.
Hey,
Was.
hey, give me one shot.
Very good. So, ano?
Give me one
Bring
shot.
me to life.
Give me one shot. Huh? Give me one shot. Give me one shot.
Very good.
This one. Me,
Sayo.
yo. Ah, no. Give me
Sayo
one shot.
at saka te. Sayote.
Sayote.
Oo nga.
Hey, you're my sister.
You
You're my sister.
For you, sister.
For you, sister.
Sayote.
Anong English ng baso?
Glass.
Very nice. Ano pa lamang?
Kumbaga yan.
Ay, yung kanin.
Rice.
Sige, magtanong ka. Magtanong kami din.
Puro yan.
Tagalog mo. English naman.
Ano English?
Tomato
Ito
sauce.
tayo. Tomato sauce.
Oh, wow. Tomato
No.
sauce. Oh, you know, soy sauce.
Okay.
Toyo.
Toyo is soy sauce.
No.
Oh, nakapangalan na yun. Oh, yun oh. Soy sauce.
Ay, yung patatas.
Ha?
Ano yung patatas?
Patatas English.
Ang English sa toyo ay silver
French fries.
swan.
Ah, French fries.
Toyo in English is a silver swan.
Ay pala, nasa tayo.
Soy.
Yes.
Ano yan? Oh, baby oil. Oh, baby oil. Oh.
Ano ang English sa patis?
Wait.
Ano ang English sa patis? Sa patis. Ano ang English sa patis?
Wait.
Oh, kay Miguel. English. English sa patis.
Saan pa nagaling yan?
Ha? Oh.
Sa sayote.
Saan galing nga re? Patis. Sa bago. Okay, patis eh.
Sa bagong ay. Anong English ng sayote?
Ang English sa bagong is salt.
Salt.
Ay maalat eh.
Ang sombrero.
Sombrero is
Cup.
no.
Hindi hot.
Cup.
Cap.
Oh, cap.
Hot is very hot.
Eh ano, yung English ng mapula ang iyong mata.
So very red eyes. Right.
Hoy! Nabulangan nyo! Tahiin nyo!
Na,
Red eyes.
you're
na si BBL.
Red eyes.
sa dahon. Ay, sa dahon, sa dahon.
Leaves.
Ha?
Leaves. Leaves.
Very good. Hey, may wala siya.
Leaves.
Eh, yung kan, ay,
Ano ang English sa damay?
cellphone. Ay,
Damay.
ano, shirt.
Ano ang English sa damay?
T-shirt.
Yo, t-shirt daw.
Shirt.
Hindi mo pa alam ang English sa damay?
Shirt.
No.
Shirt.
Jacket.
Ay, jacket na pa!
Buhay pa ako.
Aroma.
Englishman.
Bayan, kakatawa.
Restaurant.
Me, ay, anong English ng mathematics?
Give me one shot.
Mathematics is a vertical.
Sorry, give me a shot.
Salamin.
Give me one
Where's
shot.
my English salamin?
Sunglasses.
No. This is
Sorry, give me one shot.
Diving board.
Oh,
Diving board.
this is goggles.
Goggles.
Yeah, goggles.
Dapat din nakakahinga ka dyan sa ilalim. At saka hindi ka na ano sa mata. Anong tawag sa ano?
Magluluto ba kayong pansit? Sayote. Tsaka ito, babalatan. Pare, babalat yan.
Hindi pa balat na nga.
Babalat. Para nakaprepare na.
Ano ang carrot? Fruit or vegetable?
Vegetable.
Sinabi ng mami.
Oh,
Ano yung English ng puno?
Tree.
Tree?
No!
4.
No!
Hindi kadami. 1,
No!
2, 3.
My puno is...
Poultry.
Ha?
Parang portrait.
English sa puno is Nara.
Na, pambasa natin yun eh.
Talyase. Hey, give me one stick.
Hey!
No.
Where's my kahaw?
Sanay sa Malboro.
Kahaw!
Me.
Hey! Come here! Because you're my vlog is Gail! Communication to my...
Ayo.
Hey!
Anong English ng ano?
Shot.
Ganyan.
Give me one shot.
Sige, sige.
Isa bali. Give me one shot.
One shot.
Wala sa C. C.
See, cigarette smoking dangerous is open up your
Para
heart.
Miguel! It's your turn na! Para Miguel, it's your turn!
Wow, shot.
Shot.
One round.
One round only.
One round, shot.
Give me.
Hindi pa na siya.
You.
Para Miguel!
Touch my love.
Kahaw muna si Kahaw.
Kahaw muna, Kahaw! You are the first, Kahaw! And the second is para Miguel. Kahaw!
Yeah. Very good.
What's your...
Very good.
No! Yeah, very good.
Very good, ma'am.
Tatanungin natin ng English. Anong English sa pako? Sa pako.
Umbrella.
Sa pako. Anong English sa pako?
Pokpokan.
Pukpukin nga naman!
Pupukpukin.
Anong English sa pako kay Miguel?
Bako.
Pako!
It's my gin.
Anong English sa pako?
Gin.
Tumatok naman eh.
Yeah.
Pako!
Bako.
Ha?
Ulaw.
Ito, mas madali. Anong English sa...
I can wait.
Anong English sa bato? Sa bato?
Rock.
Anong English sa bato?
Scissors.
Oh.
Bato, pex.
Bogod.
Wala alam na alam ang English eh. Ito, mayroon din ito alam na English.
Anong English asa?
Anong English sa Jollibee? One piece chicken.
One round. Yes.
Shot, Michael, shot.
Ikaw na, okay, Michael.
Give me a shot.
No. Oh. How many hours your vlog?
Wait. 2 hours.
Bago mo pa siya tatanungin mo muna ng English. Pag hindi nasagot, walang tagay. Okay na ba? Okay na ta.
Tagay nga. Pagka may pagmali, tagay.
Pag mali, tagay.
Oo, tagay.
Pag mali, tagay.
Give me.
Ay, magpapamali ito na magpapamali. Pag tama, tagay. Oh.
Tagay, tagay.
Shot muna, bago.
Igo na dong.
Vlog mo rin. Dili ka. Ba't tayo ginali sa vlog mo? Tatanungin nga ng English eh. Oh. Wow! Delicious!
Double.
Sa Tagalog! Sa Tagalog!
Double shot.
Sa Tagalog, double!
Double shot.
Ano sa Tagalog ang double?
Same. Me, double shot.
Ano sa Tagalog ang double shot?
Oh, si Jervin na.
English pa rin yun. English pa rin yun.
Hoy, ikaw naman. It's your turn.
Yo!
Patay ba yun? Alak pa rin natin yun eh.
No.
Ha?
No, it's
Ah.
very
Hungry.
hungry and water.
Oh, ikaw naman ang magtanong ngayon kay Jerwin.
What's the fucking man?
Double shot!
Why?
Double shot!
Why?
Double shot!
It's double?
What happened to water?
Double shot eh.
Why?
Double shot! Oh! Same! Nice! Double shot!
Double shot.
Sabi ng double shot.
shot. Double shot. Ay, palulutuin pa daw. Umihaw. Hindi na kalata, double shot. Mamaya patay. Hindi, yung mga lumalok muna no. Kasi nakakita ko.
Sabi mga kain, anong oras na? Magalaw. Alas 12 na.
Double shot.
Double shot.
Dapat pala kayo, nagsalang muna ng sinanay.
Saan na? Luto na.
Baka isang vlog na. Para maka-ano ka ng vlog.
Pwede makaginawa na.
Kakainin mo na lahat yan.
Lalagyan natin ang bawang.
Bilangin mo para
Pirituan tayo.
para maka-ano ka ulit. Maka-dalawang vlog.
Yung lilisan din sa kagat. Lilisan na kagat.
Alak din pala kahit na yun.
Same, double shot.
Kaya baka
Kaya po, hindi mo natin gawin.
Galing
Double
no?
shot daw.
Kaya nga.
Kasi
Hindi
pintal
ko
mo
naman
parehas
alam.
pala.
Galing.
Tay, anuhin mo na.
Titimplahan pa tayo hindi ba? Ito yung trito, sila. Ginisamit lang. Ano mo, Mak?
Pahila na na.
Kare ya? I have. Sige na, DJ.
Hey, no.
Mamaya.
Oh, Seger is... Oh, no! Oh, my goodness! DJ! Oh,
Kailangan natin yung ano. Hindi pa na.
Nabilang mo na.
Saan nyo nalagay yung ano?
Ay, sa kayo din.
Dahon. Ado yan.
Ayun po, nasa ibabaw. Mateo, ano yung Mateo? Hindi, ano yung mga, tulungan mo sa idol. Bahala sa idol kung saan nilagay. Tulungan no?
Hindi naman, sa papa mo yun.
Dahil pagdala ka dyan, dami aroma.
Hindi, nandyan po sa lamesa.
Ayan na yun, yung iniga ni Chari, kinabit ni Teo.
Ayun pala, yun na.
Mababa yan. Dapat pag may sumabay.
Jeff, danda ka dyan, dami aroma. Aroma.
Masakit yung Makati.
Natigyan ko yung napasan o.
Uy, na. Lalagyan mantika.
Matika. Eh?
Lahat na. Asin. Dalawa. Isa lang.
Mag-ihaw?
Prito yata po. Prito.
Pirito kuya. Pirito.
Prito, mag-ihaw po.
Para mabilis maluto. Iinitin yan.
Hinitin yan.
Ugasan nyo muna sa ano? Dagat. Dagat ba?
May tubig? Rosales.
Middle name yun.
M.
First name mo. Aw.
Toy, kay Kuya Chong to. Kay Kuya Chong.
Diretso, walang putol.
Ha? Sabi niya?
Oo, walang putol. Diretso.
Ito, pag kailangan yung daan, buksan nyo lang.
Ako, ano lang yun, banayad lang. Banayad. Para makahabol ang ating kapwa tropa. Kasi tayo, let's go to finish line. Ikaw finish ka na.
Rebe nyo na lang.
Finish ka na.
Finish ka na mamaya.
Ay, Chong.
Duha. Kulang ka duha na.
Maya ako konti. Sabi niya.
Beautiful. Pulutan.
Yeah.
Aayusin mo kasi. Asa mo na!
Asa na ay, yung pala gamit mo. Yung mataas mo na saan? Yung mataas. Niya. Hindi ka lang. Oh. Sariwa man.
Nana, amazing tayo.
Tatay Tatsuki, give me one English before Kahaw is very... Views is very small. You
Because
you wanna give
because the
to English
vlog is
for
minimize study.
minimize study. Kahaw is
You know, the vlog is common sense.
Right.
Right, brain.
Brain was?
I was dreaming so secure.
Right. Oh, my brother Chong. Shout out to so many peoples in the house. Thank you for supporting to my brother Chong and my friends Kahaw. and my friends, all of us. My brother is a low views, very small. Can I help to my viewers for the views and revenue? Thank you very much, and I love you, everyone. And my Jesus Christ, my Lord.
Thank you.
Very thanks for my family is very take care.
Yeah.
Right. Now I wanna
to be.
I wanna talop.
Hey.
Hmm.
Wow, so very high. Marination?
Yes.
Let's go to marination. Ito, lagyan ito.
Wag. Wag now.
Masitas.
Oh. Wow.
Tatay! Hindi na tayo.
Lagyan ng toyo, Kuya Makmak.
No.
No?
Patis.
Patis man.
Kalamansi.
Ah, si Marga.
Hey, preparing to Bayboy and marination.
Coronation?
Yeah. Hey, look at Patis.
Oh, okay.
Really?
All right, let's go to my vlog.
Kana. Maghati.
My vlog is very
Malimang piraso pa.
careful.
Paminta? Wala kang paminta dyan? Eh, haba...
Hey.
And I love you.
Why?
So many peoples in the house.
Tama na.
As long as
Bye. Once more.
love you again. The finishing man is
It's a very dirty hands.
is
Very dirty. Hey, it's a very...
preparing to my lunch.
Oh, wow.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yes, baby.
Kuya
I
Mak,
love you.
it's a very dirty hands.
No.
No, it's very dirty. It's very dirty.
It's a hands is a very clean. Wow. Amazing. Really?
It's okay? It's okay? It's okay?
You watch my vlog.
Hey, it's okay.
Hamata. Hey.
To all people.
Oil. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Hoy. Very oil.
Mantika! Mantika!
Bleeding.
It's a clean.
It's a bleeding over there.
It's a clean.
Eat mat prito.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice. Sawadee ka. Mahanap, Loy.
Oh, it's nice. Super fried.
Wow, amazing.
Oh,
Sawadee ka. Mahanap, lap. Ano tayo? Hey, ano ba tayo? Later. Ano mo fly ham on? Amali. Mainit pa ham, yan na dapit.
oh, very nice and very
Because that's sandok!
very smooth. All right, and this one. For the preparing to my lunch and going to eat and bring down the sea because it's shower.
Because it's shower DC.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ako may kumot.
My sound.
No, my sound.
No sound.
No, my sound.
No sound.
Let's go, go my sounds. My sounds is editing to my vlog. Don't worry.
Hey,
Don't worry.
Hey, give me one shot.
Ah?
Give me one shot.
Yes. Go.
Kamati ka. Isang babang tulog.
Go ahead. Drinking memory
Double shot.
is very dangerous to your health. Wow.
Dayo ko dyan. Ulo, isuwati ka lahat.
I can feel it.
Namit. Good.
Wow. Namit good. English is
Very
very
hot. Very good.
very good. Your foreigner? Your foreigner?
Wala ka na eh, kay Ina.
Foreigner is your comment. Your comment now. Or foreigners is your
Saudi Alabang.
huh?
Saudi Alabang.
Hindi, katuro lang.
This one. Is brother Robert.
Give me one shot.
You wanna shot more? My brother Makmak.
No. Pass. No more lonely na. Because I'm very hungover.
Cook chip. Cook.
Hi.
Chef ko.
Chip cook. The chip cook is before now is Dubai cooking.
Diba?
Dubai.
Makmak Cruz.
Yes. It's preparing eating to the lunch because this lunch is very thankful to my health.
What time? What time?
What time is it?
You
What
know,
time is it? What time is it?
eh?
What time is it?
My time is 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Remaining time to my vlog.
What time is it? What time?
What time?
Yeah,
What time?
yeah.
My time is 12:41.
Oh, running to 1
PM.
running to 1 p.m.
Running to 1 p.m.
Let's go.
Really matter.
Give me one shot ko.
Yes.
Tubig! Basonets! I will
boss.
drink first. I will drink.
I will drink memory. Oh, this is water. Can you get
No.
one shot?
I'm not available of that.
Because
Clean.
this is your health is
Clean.
hey.
Maybe this time.
Oh, di pila man, 3:21 eh.
Maglinis pa ako.
Maybe this time. Maybe this time.
Next time. Give me one more shot.
What?
One shot.
Your drinking is two.
Two.
One in you. One in you is a bottle. Is a main event. The shooting hard drunk. Understand? You understand?
One by one.
One by one. You wanna share?
Okay.
Okay. You wanna share? You drinking?
Give me one shot, me. You.
You wanna shot?
You.
Now me? Alright. You wanna shot me? Before is shot is very important to me.
Mapag-ibig.
Because is shot is my virus. Yeah? What?
Join me in...
You and me? Ah,
And important.
your my message is important to me.
And
I can wait.
I can me and to the message. And
Yes.
yes, and because
Yes, my shout out in mommy and daddy Ricky Sabanta before is calling to my friends Kahau, and now is important to my message. You my blog is I can stop because is my friend is very important to my message, and I'll be back to my vlog right now, and I love you to many peoples in my vlog.
We'll be back.
Yes. We'll be back tomorrow. Why?
Hey, because
Me.
no.
Wait for you. Aking mahal.
Yes. We'll be right back again. Yeah. Kailan mo pa? Hindi. Yan. Uwi. Kailan? Hindi pa padala. O pupunta siya rito. Ayaw mo sabi.
Hindi ko alam kayo yung bubo. Pwede ka na lang. Come on.
Hey, sa 8.5. Very nice views sa 8.5. 20 hours. 8.5, 20 hours. Sa check na sa 50K. Masali na.
Sayo. Ini memang bawang. Kumakas ang gaya, kung maraming gulo.
Yung isa itak natin.
Eh, ba't may suka tayo?
Meron. Ang dami suka, yung malaki. Sa Wilkins. Yan. Pagkaasim yan.
Dapat palitan mo yung hugasan mo yun kasi musyat si dito ng baso. Di ba? Hugasan yun ng
Down.
baso.
Down.
Kasi mukagay siya. Ako na
Down. Quick. Jane, dadala ka dyan. Kalamansi.
Hindi na may ikon niya. Alis, palitan mo yung baso. Baso. Yan.
Ang gawin dyan? Nang. Ha?
Ito na eh.
Hindi, patis naman ito. Yan. Wala sa akong naman. Wala. Huwag may bababad ang karne. Ha?
Ay, may luto na yan. Doon mga bata, tara.
Alaman sila, pare.
Talaga yan. Para makapakain na ito.
Ay, kumuha dyan lagi ang kulay team.
May pagkahulog lang. Galhulog lang ba?
Ano sa mga bata?
Ha?
They're nice.
Walang nangyayara ng mga bata yun.
Wow! Anong pinapain mo?
Lagan, mamaya na. Nagulito, makakain na kayo mga bata. Laga.
Madlim! Madlim, yeah?
Dahil lambat mo, no? Lambat. Oo. Maraming huli, oh. Bawi lang, maraming huli.
Right.
Sain, wag dyan, Sain!
Hey! Hey, give me a girl.
Ipi ba lang?
Tagay muna.
Very good. Munat. Yes pa yan. Ganda na ito eh.
GoPro, stop recording.
Tagwang nito. Tagwang.
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Hey,
GoPro, start recording.
stop.
Huh? GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.
GoPro, stop recording.
GoPro, stop recording.
It's Chong Louis time. Oras na ni Chong Louis, Chong Louis ng Bukana. Tayo'y magsama-sama, mag-adventure with Chong Louis. Sa karagatan, kay gandang pagmasdahan, mag-fishing, mag-adventure tayo, mamangka with Idol Chong. Kasamang Idol Jopper at Kasword family. Doon sa Fortune Island, mamasyal with family. Magagandang tanawin, it's so beautiful to see. Oras na ni Chong Louis, Chong Louis ng Bukana. Tayo'y magsama-sama, mag-adventure with Chong Louis. Sa karagatan, kay gandang pagmasdahan, mag-follow na kay Chong Louis. Saan man sa mundo, mag-subscribe na kayo. Chong Louis. Chong Louis. Mag-subscribe na kayo.